Let's talk to Connor Campbell. He's a financial analyst at Spreadex. Very good morning,
Morning.
to you, Connor. Right, cable, the great British pound against the US dollar. What are you thinking?
Yeah, it's had, it's sort of just kept going, hasn't it? It's had a remarkable few weeks. A lot of it driven by dollar weakness, or the dollar's never-ending sort of just softness. Obviously, the US government shutdown didn't help last week. That seems to have resolved itself at least until the start of February. Now you've got that stopgap deal. The dollar has risen a bit off the back of that, but not a lot. It's still not, nothing seems to be enough for the dollar to turn around at the moment. Yep. It's had plenty of opportunities to, and it just hasn't. And this week doesn't really look like it's going to provide much for the dollar to work with. It all looks roughly sterling positive. UK jobs report on Wednesday, not a lot of change expected there. I think the wage growth figures are expected to remain at 2.5%. However, that is a slight improvement, especially if inflation is the thing that starts to move backwards. Even if the wage growth just remains at 2.5%, we could see in a few months that the squeeze on real wages could start to ease a bit more. Unemployment rate unchanged at 4.3%. So Wednesday looks set to be just a fine day, basically. Then the biggie is on Friday, really. It's the fourth quarter GDP figures for the UK and the US. UK is expected to remain at 0.4%, the same as it was in the third quarter. That's fine. It's as good as really the UK can probably expect at the moment. The US figure, however, expected to pull back, I think, from 3.2% to 3% at the annualised rate. So again, on Friday, that looks like, if you're weighing those two figures, probably pound positive if they come in as expected. In terms of what our clients are doing, we are still seeing buyers, but we are seeing more and more sellers creep in. I think they're looking for the pound to perhaps pull back from 1.395. Not to say its rise is over, but perhaps to pull back a bit before it can potentially continue on to 1.4, I guess.
Understood. Connor, thank you very much indeed.